everyone, I am Arushi and you are watching Connect Tech English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will motivate creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today I am gonna continue our portfolio with Python project. So guys, we are here at our project and now we have to make our contact section. So contact section will be so small. So guys, we have to simply write here st.title work with us like this. And guys, after that you have to simply write your email if you have, else you can use this st.markdown and iframe, and you have to use the Google form. If you have not watched my full stack or relevant series, then you will don't know this one. So guys, use unsafe allow HTML true, and we are gonna use this one. So let's firstly write iframe src is equal to google.com for checking is this working or not. google.com then let's rerun. Okay, it's not working, so we have to do it like this: https://google.com okay, it is not connecting with that, so we have to just use the email. So st.write, you have to use the same syntax, then write our email. So I will also not hard code this one so that you can simply code this. Even I will provide you the source code in my GitHub, so you can also copy this from there. So email, and email is gonna be arush.techship73@gmail.com. Here you have to write your email, then let's rerun. Now we get it. So guys, that's it in the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.